refreshes the iconic Air Force 1 for fall or winter 2025 with a women's exclusive Corduroy Pack, retailing at $125. Featuring cozy textures, the collection arrives in two stylish options, Baroque Brown with tan pebbled leather and washed coral accented by beige. Both sneakers showcase corduroy uppers enhanced by contrasting vertical and horizontal placements, adding depth while avoiding monotony. Designed by Bruce Kilgore, the timeless Air Force 1 silhouette remains intact with its classic white sole unit, but the seasonal update brings warmth and versatility for cooler months. Following past releases like the GORE-TEX, Cordura, and Autumn Leaves editions, this drop continues Nike's theme of premium, fall-ready materials. By blending streetwear heritage with refined design details, the Corduroy Pack reinforces Nike's ability to adapt its legendary sneaker while delivering fresh and stylish updates tailored for women's fashion.